The easiest way to add extra credit is to create an extra credit assignment and make sure it has 0 points possible. This works with weighted grades or total points. In this example, I will be using a course that is set up for weighted grading. I have 3 assignment groups: participation, worth 50%, activities, worth 20%, and assessments, worth 30%. I have created an extra credit assignment under participation. You can see it is worth 0 points. If we look at grades in this example, I have set up running scores from A to D for demonstration purposes. If I add 2 points of extra credit for this assignment, you can see that 2.86% has been added to participation, which is 50% of the grade, which means the total has increased by 1.43%. Because I am doing weighted grading, we can filter this and look only at the participation assignments. If I enter a 0 for the extra credit, the grade does not change because the assignment is worth 0 points and will not count against the student.